Santo Tomas, our second to the last meeting. All right. I've interviewed you earlier, Binibining Santo Tomas. And now, please pick your paper so that we can read the hashtag for you. Okay, 3. All right, Joanne. Here is your hashtag. It's hashtag Sangguniang Kabataan.
Sangguniang Kabataan should serve as the voice for the youth. We are not just leaders of tomorrow. We are partners in progress today. We, the youth, we are creative and we have a full energy to serve for its people. It is time to show that the youth are very dedicated, transparent, and have a responsible in everything that we do. It is time to show and to all of one that being a youth can lead an example, and being a youth can build a community where every person is valued and heard.
Wow, spoken like a true queen. That is your meeting Santo Niño, Santo Tomas rather, Joanna. And now our last, but definitely not the least, and I can say one of the crowd's favorite, it's Binibining West Poblacion. All right, good evening, Binibining West Poblacion. Can you please tell us your name?
I'm Princess Alvin.
Princess. Alright, Princess, alam mo, meron ako nabalitaan, nag-trending ka daw during preliminary competition because of your talent. Wow! Kanino mo, nanay mo ba talaga ang kasama mo ng talent? Nandito mo siya tonight? Would you like to say, where's Mommy? Wow! Very supportive. Palakpakan naman natin si Mommy. Talaga naman napakagaling din umarte. Wow! Proud na proud. Alright, now Princess, are you ready for your hashtag for tonight?
Yes.
Definitely ready. Alright, Princess, pick your hashtag please and kindly give it to me so that I can open up for you. Or open up for you.
Yeah, kasi yes.
Oh, very relevant. Princess, your hashtag is hashtag fake news.
Oh, fake news.
Your timer starts now.
Hashtag fake news. For me, fake news is not just a misinformation. It is a threat to truth, trust, and unity. Isang maling balita lamang ay kaya na magdulot ng kaguluhan. So, tayo as a Filipino, as a person, we need to think critically before we believe or share the information that share with us.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was your Binibining West Poblacion Princess. Tama yung sinabi.